Before each ESS put into use, it must first undergo rigorous and real verification. This is the Jinko ESS Testing Center, a professional testing platform for product R&D and critical component validation, as well as regulatory and standard certification. The testing capabilities cover the complete chain of the energy storage products, from raw materials and battery cells to pack, BMS, PCS, through to industrial and commercial and utility ESS systems. Physical and Chemical Analysis Laboratory performs precise testing of the key battery materials, from microstructure to composition changes, ensuring performance and safety from the source. Electrical Performance Laboratory, with over 2,000 battery cell test channels and multiple pack test platforms, it verifies capacity, energy, and long-term stability under various temperatures and operating conditions. Safety Laboratory, for battery cells and modules, conducts extreme tests including short circuit, nail penetration, crush, and thermal runaway, assessing risk boundaries and verifying security redundancy. System Testing Laboratory, centered on utility systems and industrial and commercial platforms, simulates real applications scenarios to carry out system-level integration and validation of the PCS, BMS, and EMS. Meanwhile, through hardware-in-the-loop testing, it accurately replicates complex working conditions, conducting a comprehensive inspection of the control, communication, and fault response. Reliability comes not only from testing depth, but also from efficient and standardized management. The Jinko ESS Testing Center has deployed a laboratory information management system. Every piece of the data sourced, every conclusion verifiable. The testing center has passed the national accreditation and has obtained WMTC laboratory accreditation from multiple international authorities. At the same time, we open our doors to industry partners to promote the continuous evolution of energy storage technology, from capabilities to systems, then to recognition. Jinko ESS Testing Center rigorously verifying every innovation, make reliability visible.